I am finally back with another unboxing. It's just been a while, so I apologize for that, but I do have a lot of videos in store, but I just want to let you know that I'm about to be super excited. I mean, super duper excited. Have you seen Tracee Ellis Ross' last post? Maybe the one before the last one, as this is a little late, but the last post with her with that beautiful, gorgeous, vibrant, multicolored dress with the fringes and the long sleeves on it. Guess what? I have that dress. Me. Look at me. I have that dress. And it's right here in the box. And we're about to open it up and show you that dress. I might be the third person in the world to have that dress. It sounds kind of cool. But I ordered that in January from Christopher John ROGERS. As you all know, that is my absolute favorite designer in the world right now. I mean, I am just design crushing with every single thing that he does. So, if he makes it, it's a chance that there's something out of that collection that I want at least 17 of, okay? It's just how serious that it is for me. When I saw the collection he put up, I think it was in January, and he put it up online on Instagram. I remember being at a railroad train stop, like, oh my God, I gotta get that. I can't wait to have something. I kept clicking until I saw that dress, and I was like, ooh. We need an avant-garde piece. We need, just something that is just, striking and stunning, and something that incorporates green, which is my favorite color in the world. It just really makes me all excited and joyful. I mean, I am looking forward to opening this dress. And it is called the Striped Fringe Dress, and it's look 8 from the 009 collection. And we're going to give you a sneak peek. Yes, I am using a cuticle clipper to open this up because my scissors are all downstairs. But I've been waiting since January, maybe January 14th, for this to arrive. I've been waiting and waiting patiently. I actually emailed them this past week, like, hey, you all, do you know, especially once I saw Tracee had the dress, I was like, Tracee got the dress. They need to be getting ready to send yours, because I'm sure her stylist pre-ordered it, or either her stylist didn't pre-order, and Christopher John ROGERS just sent one to her. But I'm like, look, I'm one of the girls that get it, but one of the girls that got it, one of the girls that understand it. Like, send me my stuff, because we are ready to slay Shantae on the runway of life. Oh my God, am I doing this wrong, you guys? Yeah, I'm doing this wrong. So I got the dress, and I'm about to open it up and show you just what supporting a black designer looks like. What does it feel like? And you all know from my channel, I am not your Fendi, Dior, super Prada loving, Chanel, especially not Chanel. I'm not one of those girls. Do I have some rare pieces? Very little, and if I do, it's vintage. I'm about supporting my people, okay? Especially when my people make fanciful things. And let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, Bismillah, I'm so excited with the name of God. I'm grateful. Oh my God, my lipstick on it. Oh my God. Look, y'all. Is it blurry? No, it's not. I'm gonna keep this a box. No, I'm not. Have enough boxes in this house. Okay. We're about to hit my phone. All right. All right. My name. Dear Naisha, thank you so much for your endless support in the brand. We hope that you love your new dress. Love, Team CJR. Endless support, y'all, because I am a forever supporter. Like, I'm supporting. I am that girl who's going to support. When I find something that I love, and I love your mission, and I love what you do. Look, it says January 11th. I was an order in the 1400s, okay? Man. And then we have, oh, it's heavy, the sticker on it. I'm just gonna let it fall out so I can keep the paper. I'm being such a pack rat. Oh, the box is gonna go down. And I'm gonna pick this up. Oh my God, y'all, it's heavy. This is a big, oh my God. I'm so grateful. I'm I'm really grateful. Like, I'm so thankful I could cry. That's how much I love fashion, just like you may love. I love food too. Love a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. I have been with August 19th right now. It's here. Oh my gosh. It was magnificent. Just holding it. It has dense weight to it, okay? And it's mine. I didn't buy this from the store. I bought this from the designer. Like, that's direct support. He directly got the money. He didn't have to wholesale it. And I'm happy that it's going to be able to fit me in the hips because I got a little bit more weight. And I definitely grew a little bit more. So, boom, bam, done. Oh, my gosh, y'all. Oh, I'm so amazed right now. You know, there's another dress like this that has just the green colors. And that is on Saks Fifth Avenue's website. And it's also on McMullen, the boutique that is black owned out of Oakland, owned by Sherry McMullen, who is a boutique owner who is actually she's expanding. I think she has 2 shops in Cali and just now 1 in Oakland. So if you are interested in getting the dress that's similar to this, because I don't know where he's put the other one. This one right here, I haven't seen it, and I check every day. I checked Hamden Clothing. I checked by George. I also checked Farfetch. Farfetch carries their clothing that are in Asia with the, what is this store called? Joyce HK. They sell his stuff as well, and they still have some stuff from the 007, 008 collection. I'm just trying to take a moment to just say Alhamdulillah, which means all praises due to God. Like, I am grateful, you know? I'm really grateful right now. I'm thankful. I'm grateful. Like, this was crypto money. This was editing money. Like I said, I am treating myself. The other piece that I have is the shirt, the blouse, which I'm going to go get that in a second so you guys can see. We can just have double the unboxing fun. Like, why not? I might just come back with it on, but hold on one second. I'm going to put that right there. Okay, so I just want to say thank you guys for watching, you know, for sticking with my channel, for seeing things. This is my order. You know, I did 2 orders in January. I took his pants and I did 2. I have a pink pair of his pants from the 007 collection. And y'all see me in my videos talking about how I want that blouse, the wool blouse, and I've yet to find it. I still haven't found it. But this was in the same color. And so we're going to open up the second one. It is a organza, silk organza tuxedo blouse. Right here, Christopher John Rogers. You know it, baby. It's epic. It's gorgeous. It's just, it's vibrant. And on the stitching, in case you want to see it, it's actually almost like a pink orange, a neon pink orange. It's epic. It's everything. Okay, she is the moment. Seriously. And you want to know something about the 0010, or they call it 10 collection 10, the one that came out in the summer, and they did a runway show in Brooklyn. I think at like a Navy Yard, and everybody was there. I really hope I get an invitation one day. Like, could you please send me an invitation to one of your shows in Fashion Week? Like, I promise I'll be there, front and center, wherever you sit me. I would love to be there. You know that, like, I'm your biggest supporter here. I'm always ordering your stuff. Anyway, it's gorgeous. I have on this weird thing, so it's not really gonna give what it should give. But look at that. And you can dress this up. You can dress it down. You know, I've seen that Saks Fifth Avenue, they styled it with a pair of jeans. I didn't really like the jean color the way they styled it. But, you know, when you're just fancy, you're fancy, and it doesn't matter. This is your life. This is your fashion world. So when I am, you know, putting my pieces together, I'm thinking about myself. I'm thinking about the energy that I have for the day or for the experience that I want to create. I'm a huge supporter of this brand, and this brand makes me create a lot of good moments in my life, you know. And I know people feel like this about some of the big brands because it's like, oh, it's designer, it's name brand, blah 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 blah. Look, I can feel this way about a designer that is black, that is talented, that deserves all of the accolades that he has gotten. Okay, CDFA awarded, extremely talented, brilliant, and just whimsical. Like, I'm looking for a color revolution right now. Even though I do need some pieces that are like black, brown, and khaki. Like, don't have no staples right now. Like, this is probably the most staple thing I have besides a pair of nudie jeans. I need to get my staple pieces down because I have enough of the fancy, the curious, the odd, the whimsical. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Y'all. Do you see this dress? I'm gonna go put it on really quick. Let me make this video not too long. But there is literally magic in this dress. Like, there's magic in the dress. Beautiful. Oh, it's got space. It's got space. Oh, there's a side seam. I don't want to take this up though. I don't. You know. Y'all. Do you see this beautiful? Man. Like, I have it. Seriously, y'all. This dress is fashion like luxury viscose knit, and it said it's a shenanigan, and it's engineered with slits, and that is so cool because you know how hard that has to be on one of those knitting machines. And it's made in shades of toucan, and then juniper, and then spirulina, and then fuchsia, and then rhubarb, and then flamingo, which is right here, and orchard, and macaroni, and limeade, and sulfur, which is one of these right here, cardamom, black, and ivory. And you know, like, I'm styled by the lovely Malika B, which is myself. But Tracee Ellis Ross was styled by Carla Welch, and it's nice to know that a fellow stylist has a similar, you know, just idea for fashion. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited, you just don't understand. And like, this is magical to me. Super magical to have something so gorgeous, so effortlessly beautiful. Like, baby. Look. Shimmy, yeah. Like, bam, I can play double dutch with this, okay? I feel like Zendaya, I feel like Tracee, I feel like Malika B, I feel like myself. For real. Alright, I know you're probably sick of me, but who cares? I'm not sick of me. And that's what matters the most, is that this is my dress. It is bigger, so in an ideal situation, I would definitely tailor it so that it could be tighter, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. I think the green one, that's all green, is meant to be really, really snug and tight. Tracee's actually does look tailored, so I don't know. Hers, no. Yeah, hers looks a little tailored. Just a little bit. I'm looking at a picture of it right now, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. Anyway, this is my Christopher John Rogers unboxing. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I always have fashion extravaganzas, fashion history talks, runway model talks. I mean, we're going to talk about it all, how fabric is made, you know, the process of fashion, what is luxury, what is ethical fashion compared to fast fashion. There's everything on here. And also, I'm planning on creating a class for those of you who are interested in stepping out on faith and fashion. It's not going to be faith-based, but it's how do you step out and really present yourself to this world the way that you want to be seen. How do we move past fear, dressing up, being fierce, being fashionable, being yourself. And I want you to be a part of that class, and I will let you know the details once I get it all set up, but it's coming. Be prepared to unearth the things that need to be put out in the open so that you can be ready to take on the day, ready to slay, ready to be yourself, ready to be authentic, because that is the biggest thing when it comes to style and fashion. Those who truly have that style, that je ne sais quoi, you know, the girls who get it kind of girl, they have like an innate confidence about themselves. There's something unyielding within, and you want to be able to fully express that without the fear, without anxiety. You just want to be able to express, this is me. I showed up like this? Yes. I'm going to show up at your baby shower in this? Yes. I'm going to come to the grocery store in a dress that I love. Why not? Why do we not do that? We want to dress up. When we were little kids, we dressed up, right? Right? Didn't we dress up? You might have worn your Spider-Man costume and it was all cool, or your Cinderella gown or whatever, but you showed up the way you wanted to. And then life told you, oh, don't do that. That's tacky. That's stupid. That's dumb. That's this. That's that. Sorry, honey. That time is over because you only have one life to live. We're going to live it. Excited. All right, everyone. I'm Malika B, and I'm signing off. And I hope you have a marvelous, colorful, radiant, and authentic day. Be sure to like and subscribe to the content while you're here and share it with somebody else if you feel inclined to. Thank you. Bye.